Welcome to Cool Gadget Hub, the culinary hub where innovation meets the kitchen. I'm Kamindu, and today, we're on a thrilling journey exploring the latest and greatest Amazon kitchen gadgets. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is a versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify food preparation. This multifunctional device serves as a spiralizer, vegetable slicer, onion chopper, and food chopper, offering a comprehensive solution for chopping, slicing, and dicing various vegetables. Equipped with a container, this chopper provides a mess-free solution by collecting the chopped ingredients in one place, reducing the need for additional bowls. The Pro Food Chopper features sharp blades that make quick work of vegetables, allowing for efficient meal prep. Whether you're creating salads, stir-fries, or other dishes that require finely chopped or sliced vegetables, the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper streamlines the process. Its compact design and multiple functions make it a convenient and space-saving addition to any kitchen, helping you achieve consistent and uniform results in your culinary endeavors. The Gadget Rotary Cheese Grater is a versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify the grating and slicing process. Equipped with 3 interchangeable blades, this mandolin vegetable slicer allows you to easily grate a variety of ingredients, including cheese, fruits, vegetables, and nuts. The rotary design makes the grating process efficient and easy, allowing you to achieve consistent results without much effort. The 3 different blades provide options for various grating styles, from fine to coarse, catering to different culinary needs. One of the key features of this grater is its easy-to-clean design, ensuring a hassle-free experience after use. Whether you're preparing salads, garnishes, or toppings, the Gadget Rotary Cheese Grater offers a convenient solution for achieving finely grated or sliced ingredients in your kitchen. The Rechargeable Electric Juicer is a portable and efficient kitchen gadget designed for making fresh citrus juices. With its compact design and USB charging capability, this juicer is perfect for squeezing oranges, lemons, kiwi fruits, grapefruits, and other citrus fruits wherever you are. The juicer features a rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for constant power sources, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Simply charge it using the included USB cable, and you're ready to enjoy freshly squeezed juices without the hassle of cords. Equipped with a cleaning brush, maintaining the juicer's hygiene is a breeze. The white color adds a sleek and clean look to your kitchen. Whether you're preparing breakfast, cocktails, or a refreshing beverage, the rechargeable electric juicer provides a convenient solution for extracting citrus juices with ease. The automatic electric dumpling press maker machine is a versatile and user-friendly appliance designed for home kitchen pastry making. This machine offers convenience and efficiency in crafting perfect dumplings with ease. Featuring an adjustable design, the dumpling press allows you to create dumplings of various sizes, catering to your preferences. The easy-to-operate mechanism streamlines the dumpling making process, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced cooks. Included with the machine are a spoon and brush, providing additional tools for the preparation and maintenance of your dumpling making experience. The white color adds a clean and modern aesthetic to your kitchen. The Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer is a top-notch tool for grilling and cooking enthusiasts. Boasting an ultra-fast and accurate temperature reading, this thermometer is designed to provide quick results for precise cooking. Equipped with a waterproof feature, it ensures durability and reliability even in outdoor grilling conditions. The built-in backlight enhances visibility, making it easy to read temperatures in various lighting conditions. Calibration functionality ensures accuracy, and the digital food probe is perfect for both kitchen and outdoor barbecue use. With its user-friendly design and efficient performance, the Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer is an essential gadget for anyone who takes their grilling and cooking seriously. Upgrade your culinary experience with this reliable and versatile thermometer.